Hello and welcome to my channel Life is Amaze. So as we all know, festivals are around the corner, and this festival season I wanted to give a new look to my living room without burning too much from my pocket. So I decided to go for some DIYs. I want to show you what I got for these DIYs, and these fake leaves, nautical ropes, and stone bags, and these are easily available jute lace and two little cute jar. I'm not sure where I'm gonna keep them, but they are really cute and I can use them in multiple ways. So let's see how I'll use it. And vanilla candle, and a big vase which looks like tumbler, and a small vase, and I got few frames and a ruler, paintbrush, colors, scissors, and a pencil and a glue gun. So let's start with the first DIY, that is a graphic art. So I already had a canvas at my home. I'm going to use that. So I covered it all white. So I already got a design and I'm going to recreate that design and with grey color. And this is how it turned out. I'm loving it. And the second DIY is this cute little jar. So this is very simple. I will just take a leaf and stick it in the jar. And the next DIY is this candle holder. So I will be taking a big size tumbler here and I will wrap around this lace and a rope. And here I am making sure that I will join lace and rope in same side so that I will keep this side on back and it won't be visible. And this is it. It's done. Our next DIY is this vase. So here I will be taking small size tumbler and I have these wooden cubes. So I will fix two cubes to make a leg. So here I am making four legs for this vase and I will fix them in this tumbler. And now I will fix jute lace around it. And this was it. It was that simple. It's ready and look how beautiful it is looking. It's adding so many colors to my decor. So next DIY is my favorite. I will be making a DIY frame. For that I will take a frame and few colorful leaves and I will arrange them nicely in the frame, and I'll take another frame's glass. So I will just keep it on the top of leaves and close the frame. That's it. And the next DIY is this wall hanging. It gives me that boho vibe. So for that I am taking a yarn here, a wool and scissors and a wallet. So I will wrap around wallet this wool almost like 15 or 20 times. And now I will remove it nicely and give a knot on the top so that it won't tangle. And then I will leave 1 inch space from the top and I will wrap wool around it almost 5 to 7 times and give it a knot. And now I will cut it from the bottom and I will trim it nicely so that all fringes are in equal size. And now I am taking a frame and I will color it with a grey color, and I like this color. I will give it 2 coats and look at the finish. It's so beautiful. And now I will start to stick my pom-pom. So here I am keeping 1 inch distance. I'll repeat the process left side as well and trim the ropes. At the bottom of the frame I will fix a white rope and jute lace. It will look like a border. And I will trim it from the edges. So this was it for today's videos. Let me know which one was your favorite DIY and which one will you try at your home. So thanks for watching me and bye bye.